Don't lie. This is commentary from James Brown. I don't know who needs to hear this, but stop lying at the self-checkout. You're not accidentally ringing up that ribeye as bananas. You didn't forget that there were 3 energy drinks in that cart when you only scanned 2. We know, and you know. Look, I get it. Everything costs more. Eggs, rent, life. And yes, corporations rake in record profits while we sweat through the checkout line. But lying, especially to a machine, is still lying. What really bothers me, though, is what it does to us. Every time we justify that little dishonesty, it chips away at something inside of us. Not just integrity, but trust. And no, this isn't about moral high ground. It's about the kind of world that we're building together. Because if we all start deciding the rules only apply when it's convenient, things fall apart. And fast. Also, real talk. These companies aren't dumb. They're adding cameras. They're adding cops. They're adding weight sensors. Even AI to track your mistakes. You might think you're beating the system, but that's only for now. You're teaching it how to beat you back. So here's my question. Where's the line between resisting a broken system and just breaking trust? Let me know in the comments and support my work at jamesbrowntv.substack.com. On that note, I'm James Brown. And as always, be well.